Hello, welcome to another Photonic Clean Technologies step-by-step guide. Today we'll be talking about our SAAR and S16AR aluminum canisters. These canisters are used for our spray product and makes it a little bit easier for applying onto your substrates. When you receive your canister, it will already be in pieces. As you can see, we've already filled this one up a little bit even. So I will go through the steps. You will have a O-ring that seals the canister and the bracket on top of it. You'll first fill the canister about a quarter to halfway with the sprayable polymer, and then seal. Make sure it's not completely tightened just yet, as we want to apply our nozzle. These canisters come with 4 different types of nozzle, from thin to medium, regular, and coarse spray heads. Use the nozzle appropriate for your task. We're going to go ahead and just pop that on. There we go. Make sure it's sturdy. Then finish tightening. There we go. Before we go ahead and put any compressed air into our canister, always be sure to follow the cautionary guidelines. To fill our canister with compressed air, you can either use a hand pump, such as this one, or a mechanical air compressor, kind of like the type that you would fill up your car tires with. For a less noisy video, we're going to use the hand pump. Simple enough. Make sure you attach the pump into the nozzle here, lock it in place, and proceed. Once the canister has been filled, go ahead and release. And you're ready to use. When you're done using the canister, first step is going to be to depressurize the system. Slowly turn the top until you hear the air escaping from the inside. Once it has depressurized, go ahead and fully remove. Take your container and go ahead and empty out any extra polymer back into your storage. To increase the longevity of your canister and your spray nozzles, get the appropriate thinner for your polymer. Go ahead and pour a little bit inside. And we're going to go through the same process of pressurizing the system again to clean out. We'll be right back. Grab some paper towels or something to spray out on. We're going to use the same aluminum that we were spraying on earlier. Once again, carefully depressurize the system. and you're ready to store.